Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Matcha Snowball cookies. It's very easy, super light and delicious. Too good to save only for holidays. Let's get started. These are what you need. 150 gram all-purpose flour, 10 gram matcha powder, 50 gram sugar, 60 gram canola oil, which you can replace with 60 gram melted butter, and some powdered sugar to finish. At first, I'm going to shift all the dry ingredients in this large bowl. So flour, matcha powder, sugar. Let's just shift it. Add vegetable oil all at once. And slice to mix. You don't want to knead it. Until it's well cooperated like this. Prepare oven tray lined with parchment paper. Take some dough and make it into a ball. About this size. I made 23 balls. Now I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, baked for 20 minutes, and now I want to dust them with powdered sugar. But fresh out of the oven, it's very soft. So let's cool it down to room temperature. It's completely cooled down, so let's dust it with powdered sugar. And Matcha Snowball cookie is ready to go. いただきます。That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!